working here with Ajay Sharda on this irrigation project where they're flying over this field. And this particular field has 3 different levels of irrigation in it so that they can be able to see the differences in crop response to the water stress that's occurring, which will then help us tailor our irrigation scheduling programs in the future where we can evaluate what's going on at now a new level where we can visually see what's happening in the field from the aerial view.
Our goal is to pick up the differences in the canopy temperatures using the thermal infrared camera, and then we'll be capturing the soil moisture content, we'll be capturing the canopy temperature.
The aerial platform, I think, is just going to be a powerful tool for us. Now we can fly over the top, and whether they're using a temperature-based or a color-based or some other frequency-based analysis, we can see what's happening in the field and from a real general standpoint, then know exactly where to go to diagnose what the problem is, whether it's a water stress problem, whether it's a pest problem, or some other factor going on. And as we start working with these multiple layers of information based from clear down from the soil base up to the crop that's on there, we can keep customizing our scheduling application from a water saving standpoint, and also lets you have a platform then for better fertility programs and better pest management programs. And this is a whole new level that will let us be able to customize that to specifically pinpoint what's going on in the field. I think it's an exciting time from the management aspect